One quiet night, Stormy and Rain tiptoed to the shimmering sea. The water sparkled like 1,000 stars. Suddenly, glowing lanternfish appeared, lighting a magical path beneath the waves. Stormy giggled as Rain held her hand, and together they swam with the lanternfish, their gentle lights painting rainbows through the water. The cool sea tickled their toes, and soft bubbles danced around them. When the moon peeked down, Stormy and Rain waved goodbye to their new friends and drifted home, their hearts full of wonder. Subscribe for more relaxing videos.